first of all, we can the pass said no my team winning. Because then game be there so we really wanted to win so that a bit make push yourself up there and then my son damn teammate for us for the support. I'm the man from day one. Buy no na me brag a crab it buy no as time goes on you know because we boy more they support each other and they be do. And then talking of the league, we are not in a rush to decide say between league and us but we have fun game after game like today. Send it made in Kunimono. And then we look up to the next game now. He say us the way we planned now. And then they pick up and also we can't go to this season and they don't see and see. I hope he say season because we know Jimmy at the cup if not the league they pick up. I say I support each other. Sometimes they do a situation where we say we are selfish and this maybe on us not being one of them or decide and say we both we are brother this until now they support each other and we pushing on to push me on so sharp. Now so on motivating some shot now motivating to say on special na pushing I think say na it me give out our best. I think say before they lose never but now you win na they lose me in bed able I think say fatigue ST or team name. And then the coach and so by and so on Kasabi Bray advice on a lot of things. You may go away out. You know say yeah, but coach knows so no for now no and found to China any way in and I work it towards it. I think say no count to me even matches now can. I was every a lot of times who say like play for the rule and Kasa. But sometimes I come or perform to the say on you didn't come on yesterday. Sometimes why na you go say coaching put on because come go anything ba na you say hey coaching put anything for say why you pay boy did no na me need dia grocery because hey the coach here go match put on your side. I think say I will play for that role now sir. No, I'm not a happy man because I believe say committee me I shemo because now a couple of times ago na I was saying committee me deciding them na meeting me there and then again so now offside decisions now I have a penalty. I think say I'm happy because I'm who send committee me ashemo until we are going forward no. I think say me we share the way me running for the offside and I'm me give out my best game here.
Last one, Mike.
Me strong say numbers na ba stadium for now I'm say SWAT and then we feel team of Pelega just na DFA Cup. I think say supporters and be here almost support na the until some back park in their numbers and na motivate any team achieving and say achieve as a team. First time I'm back to na me person in fact team na any be but unfortunately na be na say me call. And then second coming I believe say with players no support the coach and so support and you be our busu our near kasa about no. I think say bit my boy na night me there achieving a penalty. Is going forward no nyama be fine. Every boy na never boy na team no at me achieving goal. First of all team ni achieving goal and then first way the team not achieving goals and then whatever comes out to be as being a striker no and so there yes.